What's up, guys? I got a pretty interesting pair of shoes here for you. They're not the most interesting, but what makes them interesting is the fact that they're from the outlet mall. You can see that there's no box top. There's a nice little price tag of $99.99, and the retail price is $190 US. Now these were purchased at a Nike clearance store. Clearance stores are pretty special. They have great deals from time to time. These are a pair of Jordan 14s. And the great thing about this, they were 20% off this price. They weren't $99.99, no. They were $79.99 US. This is a pretty special pair. This is called the Air Jordan 14 Last Shot. Pretty fire, if you ask me. Got a nice little Jordan logo. Looks kind of like a Ferrari logo. A little bit, just a little bit. Beautiful leather on the side here. Got a nice little red bottom. Christian Louboutin-esque. As you can see, it says 14 in the Roman numerals. What that means is 10 plus 5 minus 1, which is 14. Very interesting shoes here. Says Jordan up here. Metal lace tips. A very nice addition to the sneaker. I'm gonna throw these on here so you know like how serious they are. This is the receipt, in case you were wondering. If you didn't believe me, I'll have to show you right here. You must see that, right? $79.99 US. Nike clearance promotion, 20% off. That's a big deal. That's a big deal. Gonna throw these on for you. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. I know a lot of people don't love 14s. Some think they're pretty fire. They're not the most sought after Jordans in the world, but you know what? I like them. I think they're pretty cool. I think I got a great deal. Like that's the number one factor at JJ's level, as most of my subscribers know. I'm gonna take this time to say that you should subscribe to the channel. That way you can actually figure out what sneakers are worth. And just so we're clear, I don't usually wear these pants. It's just freezing outside these days. So I'm gonna pin roll them a little bit so they don't look as garbage, but a nice pair of corduroys will keep you warm. I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm wearing 2 pants right now. It's that cold. It's that cold. I know you guys saw that blue pair of tracks underneath. Some of you must have been like, whoa, what is that? That's 2 pairs of pants, guys. Chill out. It's cold. You gotta do what you gotta do, man. It's that simple. Pin rolled, slightly with no pin. They don't even look that bad. Like, don't lie, the pants are pretty okay. The sneakers themselves, pretty fire. Let me just fix this pin roll right here. I'm not doing the greatest job, but you know what? It'll do. That will do, donkey. That will do. Alright, we gotta do this properly, I guess. Nope, there's no chance. I'm gonna just stuff it in the shoe. Pretty fire. Let me know what you think of these in the comment section below. Honestly, they're really nice on foot. Like, they don't even look that bad, and I'm wearing these ridiculous pants. They sound super drippy. I'm guessing you could play basketball in them if you really wanted to. But I mean, like, they just look so nice, and for $80, like, you can't really go wrong. Like, I'm gonna pull them up on StockX here, just so you know like how much they're actually going for. Actually, we have them at Flight Club. Flight Club size 13 here. Let's get this brightness down. $225 US at Flight Club. Pretty crazy. I got it for 80 bucks. They're not mine, but pretty solid deal, you know? They're in the family, I should say. Thanks for watching the video. One last look at these shoes here for 80 bucks. You can't go wrong. You guys need to check out the outlet malls. Maybe check out the link in the description below for a deal on the socks that I'm wearing on Amazon. Support the channel maybe, I don't know. Nice pair of shoes here. Let's take a look inside. This is Jordan 14 right there. Tell me they're fake. Tell me they're fake. I'm just kidding, guys. You know they're not fake. They look really nice. Thanks for watching the video. Goodbye.